Hey everyone, JT Park from Lacombe Ford again. Just wanted to show you we got the supercharger and everything in for the Mustang. It's already all installed. And thanks to you guys voted on the wheels. Just wanted to start this up and show you guys a bit of a difference and what it sounds like with the supercharger on it. So as I mentioned, you guys voted on the wheels over the last week. It was pretty close up and down for the two wheels. The Autobahns did take it for this poll, so we're gonna have those put on very soon. I just wanted to pop the hood, show you guys the difference with the supercharger on it and the intake as well. This thing is now making 700 horsepower, so it's definitely a very fun car to drive. So the last poll we have on this Mustang build is a custom graphics package. One subtle option we have actually was a comment in our last videos with the F-150. We're going to have a matte black racing stripe going up the center, a little bit more subtle instead of the bright white or the bright red. The second option is going to be a little brighter, a little more attractive. It's going to have a bright red side piece going down here, kind of match the red interior of the vehicle. As always, we're going to have the pictures in the poll, so link in the comments below. Go vote for that. Tell us which one you want to see on the Mustang. Again, I'm JT Park from Lacombe Ford, your Central Alberta Roush dealer. Until next time, take her easy.